Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reject an incoming call with an auto-respond text message on your Apple Watch 7. So here, let's say we're going to receive an incoming call. Okay, so we are now receiving an incoming call from another person. And if you want to reject the call, don't press on this red button. Instead, you want to tap on the three dots and then you tap on send a message. So you can have a custom message in here, and then you can just simply tap on it, and that will immediately end the call, and then it will proceed with a text message. So we'll send a text message. So we'll send a text message to that person, and then the calls will also be ended. And that's it. And that's how you can reject a call with a text message on your Apple Watch 7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.